Hello everybody, Justin Brady here, and today is another unboxing video. This time, it's on the John Lennon signature box set. So here's the box. And it says 8 studio albums digitally remastered. These are remastered by the same people who did the Beatles stereo and mono box sets. Probably many others too. And you get the original audio mixes, 2 bonus CDs including 13 unreleased tracks, a 60-page book, 70th birthday art print, and access to the exclusive John Lennon online universe, which doesn't exist anymore. Here's the back. Yeah. So I started to peel a little opening on this side beforehand, so what I should be able to do is peel the whole thing now. There we go. Alright, with the box out of its wrap, you know, unbox it now. Some little sticky things on the bottom, which I'm guessing we're keeping the things in contact. So go ahead and take it off now. Now, one thing, these are perforated right there. These are perforated. I don't know why. Guessing they're perforated so you can put it inside there, but it's too big for them to fit in. They look too big to fit inside the box. But hey, at least if it's a box, then it's a box. Here, I'll show you this one last time. Flip it on both sides. Flip it on both sides. You can just take the yeah, there you go. It's working. And then this you can just throw out. Alright, I'll do the other side later. Alright, so let's get the box out, shall we? See, there's nothing inside there, but there is stuff inside here. So you have 2 art designs on the sides. And there's a little drawer right there. I'll show you what's in it. Yeah, I can take the whole thing out. So you lift this up on this tab, and you have a little book which contains the 70th birthday art print. A family tree right there. And you can take it out, but I choose to leave it in there. See? And when you're done looking at it, just put it back. Slide it back in here. And on the top, pull this, you get a book and some words from Yoko, Julian, and Sean. And then an online code, which expired back in October 4th, 2012. So if you're getting this now and you want to use it, you can't. So why do they make these perforated? Because they fit inside there? Yeah, I think that's why they're perforated, so they can fit inside here. I'll show you the book and the words real quick. So here's the book. Back, nothing on it. It just says yes. flip the pages, you start to get some pictures and some words. I'll go through this real quick here. That's the book. You have this thing from Yoko, Julian, and Sean. Here's this one's from Yoko. This one's from Julian. And this one's from Sean. Now turn to the back. It says, "Give peace a chance." Yep. So we have all his albums. Start from the beginning, I guess. The first one, yeah, Plastic Ono Band. Second one's Imagine. There was a movie called Imagine too. Sometime in New York City. Double album. Mind Games. Walls and Bridges. Rock and Roll. Double Fantasy. And lastly, Milk and Honey. And the the bonus CD, you have the singles, and the home tapes. For singles, you have Power to the People, Happy Christmas, War is Over, Instant Karma, We All Shine On. The single version of Cold Turkey, Move Over Miss Ellen, Give Peace a Chance. For the home tapes. Oh, and the CDs. I'll show you the pictures of the CDs too. And another thing, before I end the video, is that this box, besides it including all the albums, it does not include the stripped down version of Double Fantasy. And this is the stripped down version of Double Fantasy. It includes the album stripped down and the album again as the regular album. And just for a comparison, this is a single album, this is a double album. So yeah, that's the John Lennon box set for you. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Goodbye for now.